Hi there, parents out there. This is Dr. Albert Mensah for Mensah Medical Moment. Parents, you often wonder why your children tend to be sluggish, why they have a foggy brain, why they sometimes seem confused and tired and a lack of energy. One of the things I want you to understand is that oftentimes our diet affects how it is that we, of course, behave and how we function. I know many of you know this already, but what I want you to also understand is that sometimes the foods that we feed our children can actually lead to cognitive intoxication. What do I mean? If you take a tube or a flask, fill it with water, and add sugar, you're beginning the recipe for the production of alcohol. All you need is yeast. Oh, and guess what? Yeast, these little tiny circles here, oftentimes line the gastrointestinal tract. Now, when you feed in the sugar and the water, they begin to ferment what we would understand to be alcohol. When this happens, the yeast are producing toxins that now go on to affect your child's brain. And this leads to irregular behavior. It leads to problems with ADHD and perceptions, hyperactivity, emotional disruption. And what goes up with these lovely sugar highs often comes down crashing like depression. What I want you to understand is that our wonderful foods, our macaroni and cheeses, our chicken nuggets, our burgers and fries, our pizza, all those things, whether we're dealing with toddlers or whether dealing with teenagers, can affect mood, behavior, and perception. What I want you to do is to reconsider the dietary regimen you're putting your children on. I want you to understand that diet does make a difference. If you're tired of chasing Johnny around and screaming at him, we want you to say, what did Johnny just eat? And what am I thinking about feeding him and cooking for dinner tonight? Because tonight's dinner may be tomorrow's anxiety and disruption for you. I'm Dr. Albert Mensah for Mensah Medical Moment.